Thank y'all so much for being here today. Man, to me, it's all about relationships, and that's what makes me very happy these days. You know, Old West Durham neighborhood starts right there. Did y'all know that? This building was built in the 1930s, and I was thinking about this the last few days. This is y'all's building. It's not our building. I think it's a community building. Y'all agree? And so we wanted to celebrate. We didn't have to do a ribbon cutting. We could have remodeled it, but we wanted to remodel it for years and years and years. And finally we did it. We tried to get it just like maybe it was in the past.
3, 2, 1.
This is the first ever ledger book for Couch Oil Company. November 1st, 1949. And it's got the whole month that somebody had written out, and it was $63 in the bank at the end of the month. I mean, this means a lot right here for any business, whether you own your own business, but humble beginnings, right? Yeah, thank y'all for being here.